A common addition to an invoicing solution is purchase orders. To start, we're going to add vendors for the products that need to be ordered via the purchase orders. So we'll go into Manage Database, go to our Table section, type in vendors, create it, and then we'll go to another table, let's say customers, and grab the fields that we need, our housekeeping fields. Go, and we're looking for that one. There we go. Copy them to the clipboard, paste them in here, change this to KF vendors ID, and then go into options and put VEN. Now again, this number doesn't really matter here. It's just an identifying number. So it's just because it starts at 224 means nothing. Now let's add in the fields that we'll need. We'll need our name field for the company name, and our address, city, state, and zip, phone, and email should all be connected via the same way we're doing it in customers, if you can see it behind here. We're just going to piggyback on this feature right here. So we could add them in here, but maybe they have several addresses or several phone numbers or several emails. I'm going to, and we don't have one for URL, so I'm just going to go ahead and do URL as a regular field, just assuming they have one. That's fine, a main one. Then we'll put it in our notes field, but again, we're going to piggyback on this feature. We're going to do it a little bit differently though. Instead of making a portal, we're just going to make a regular field like we originally had, because there's really no point. There's probably not going to be that many in there. And then we need an active field. That'll be a number field. We'll create that and tell it to auto enter the data of 1 right off the bat. Okay, so there's all that stuff. There's our vendors table. Move it down there. And it's probably going to get used more than these other tables, so I'm going to scooch these ones down. Highlight them all. Move them down a bit. Put vendors right in there. Because what we're going to do next is make our contacts for our vendors, because there might be multiple contacts. And I could piggyback on customers, but then we're going to have contacts or vendors inside the customers. I don't really want that. So I'm going to make my own table for contacts for those vendors.